What's up, guys? Welcome back to Locos.Garage. Today we got a Jeep 2018. We're gonna do a quick oil change. So first thing first, take out the cap. We're gonna get a socket to take off this filter right here, and then we could drain the oil. Filter system right here, 349. It's gonna be 6 quarts, so 0.20 for the 3.6. So yeah, it does take 0.20 right here. Boom. So this car is pretty simple. I don't have to jack it up or anything. Obviously it's pretty high. So I put the drain bucket right there ready. Let's get it work. So first thing first, we're gonna that filter. This car's pretty hot right now. The customer just drove it here. That filter's black though. Look how dirty it is. Can you see it? Pretty dirty. So right now, I'm going underneath, loosen that 13, see how the drain plug, go from there. All right, so now we got our 13. So now break that loose, just like that. Let's see what we do by hand now. So I loosen my hand. Hopefully I don't get oil on me. Let's see. Alright, pretty good. Didn't get any oil on me at all. Pretty good, pretty good. Oil's black. So I needed that oil change. So this is the filter right here. So we're gonna pop it off. Just like that, take it out. Drain whatever oil is inside. Just like that. And now we're gonna get a little small screwdriver. You can use a pick or whatever. Take off the O-ring. And it's a little hard doing it by one hand. Let me see. There it is. We got the new O-ring on. Put some oil on there for it won't rip. The old one's right there. The old filter. So we got the new filter right here. Let's go ahead and pop it in. So I can do like this, and you hear a little pop. Just like that. That's how you know it's in place. You gotta make sure your O-ring sits right. You don't want it leaking or anything. Everything's pretty good. So now we're gonna install it. Pretty simple, guys. I'm doing this under 5 minutes. There it is. I tighten the filter. I line up that red mark right there. So that's all you need is a 15/16 or a 22, I believe. Little extension. And now we're gonna put the drain plug back in and fill it up. So now I did it hand tight. Let's go ahead and tighten it up. Yeah, remember you don't want it too tight because people strip them all the time. That's good enough. So it's pretty good. So now we're just gonna put the oil in. The filter's all tight. The drain bolt's all tight. So I put it like that. Let it go in by itself. There it is. We finished putting the oil in. So we're gonna go ahead and start it up right now. Everything's all good though. Let's get it. So now we're gonna cycle the key on. Don't start the car yet. So we're gonna go down. Right here, vehicle information. Oil change required. Just press OK. OK. So right here, 0% oil life. They waited for the last minute, but it's all right. So you're gonna pump the pedal 3 times. And it resets itself right there. And go ahead and start it. And check, make sure there's no leaks or anything. Everything's good, nothing's leaking. You already know. Good job, good job. No leaks. A1 okay. You already know. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this 2018 Jeep Wrangler. We're gonna go ahead and close the hood now. Make sure everything's good. If you guys can, go ahead and like, subscribe, follow, whatever, comment. But that's how you do a oil change on a Jeep Wrangler 2018 3.6 liter. Catch you guys later.